Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the unit and powering it on. This ensures predictable behavior. Inspect batteries and plug in if the LED shows 1/4 or 20% left. Once done, attach the barrel and sensor mount by hand tightening to avoid over-torque and position a marker target at 5 m to run the built-in rangefinder calibration. Make sure the indicator blinks green before moving on. This step prevents misalignment and reduces the chance. You now configure aiming and firing modes to match intent. Choose Eco for conservative output, Pulse for single shots, or Burst for rapid sequences. Once selected, raise the unit, align the electronic reticle with the target, and hold steady for about 2 seconds so the stabilization system can lock. After locking, apply smooth, steady pressure to the trigger. Don't jab. Make sure you feel the haptic or hear the click. Those confirmations tell you the system accepted the command and executed safely. You finish by powering down and storing the device properly to preserve life and accuracy. Hold the main power button for 3 seconds until the status LEDs extinguish, then stow in a cool, dry case. If the unit is unresponsive, make sure to remove and reconnect the battery to perform a quick reset. If errors persist, note the numeric code on the status panel. One troubleshooting tip: rebooting after a removal often clears transient faults. Don't skip it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.